Cal logo design. Welcome to HL Graphics. Let's conquer the new world of graphics. The font I am choosing here is called Geometos. But it is not commercial free, it is only free for personal use. Increase its size, it's a very beautiful font, then create an outline and ungroup it. But this font is a little bit thin, so I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. So we're going to go into the offset path and go in there. And we're going to increase the size of it quite a bit so that it looks quite thick now and it still looks pretty cool. Expand it. I have kept it in single color for now. Now we will draw a circle in the middle of the alphabet O. We have also kept the color of this circle black. The letter O will be whitened and the black circle will be grouped. Go to Arrange and bring it to front. Let the letter C and letter W be placed downwards and then we move on. Now we will slide the letter C inwards and similarly we will slide the letter D inwards. That means both letters will be set below the O. Now combine them all with the help of Selection tool and click on Divide in Pathfinder. And right-click the mouse and ungroup them. In this way, we will group the black part of the logo with the help of Magic Wand tool. We'll unite and keep it on one side. And the rest will delete the redundant part. Take this, our logo is ready. See how easily you made this logo. This is a very simple and easy logo. Let me tell you one more thing. We also call these types of logos negative space logos, in which no one is looking at a single alphabet up. That is, it is like the background color. Try this logo yourself, you will definitely be able to create it. Thank you very much for viewing my work.